Welcome students. I am Ms. Frida Pereira, Assistant Professor, Kamal College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nuve, Goa. The course title is Floriculture. Title of the unit, Garden Implements. Module name, Greenhouses and Polyhouse. The outline of this module is Introduction, Greenhouses and Polyhouse. Learning outcomes. The student explains greenhouses and polyhouses. Introduction. Polyhouse or a greenhouse is a house or a structure made of a translucent material like glass or polythene where the plants grow and develop under controlled climatic conditions. The size of structure can differ from small shacks to big size buildings as per the need. A greenhouse is a glass house whose interiors become warm when exposed to sun rays as the house stops the greenhouse gas to leave. When it is cold outside, the temperature inside is survival friendly and warm for the plants. Now let us see what is the difference between the greenhouse and polyhouse farming. Polyhouse is a type of greenhouse, or it is a smaller version of greenhouse where polythene is used as the cover. In developing countries like India, polyhouse farming is a popular greenhouse technology due to its low cost of construction and easy maintenance. Lath house is one more greenhouse technology where wood is used as the cover. Polyhouse is cheaper as compared to greenhouse, but the latter is more long lasting than polyhouse. In present scenario of increasing demand for cut flowers, cultivation in greenhouses is the best alternative for using land and other resources more efficiently. In protected environment, suitable environmental conditions for optimum plant growth are provided, which ultimately provide quality products. Greenhouse is made up of glass or plastic film which allows the solar radiations to pass through but traps the thermal radiations emitted by plants inside and thereby provides favorable climatic condition for plant growth. It is also used for controlling temperature, humidity and light intensity inside. Greenhouses, on the basis of basic material used, building cost and technology used, greenhouses can be of three types. First, low cost greenhouse. Second, medium cost greenhouse. Third, high tech greenhouse. Now let us see the first type, that is low cost greenhouse. Low cost greenhouse is made of polythene sheet of 700 gauge supported on bamboos with twines and nails. Its size depends on the purpose of its utilization and availability of space. The temperature within the greenhouse increases by 6 to 10 degrees centigrades more than outside. The second is medium cost greenhouse. With a slightly higher cost, greenhouse can be formed with GI pipes of 15 millimeter bow. This greenhouse has a covering of UV stabilized polythene of 800 gauge. The exhaust fans are used for ventilation, which are thermostatically controlled. Cooling pad is used for humidifying the air entering the chamber. The greenhouse frame and glazing material have a lifespan of about 20 years and 2 years respectively. Third is high tech greenhouse. In this type of greenhouse, the temperature, humidity and light are automatically controlled according to the specific plant needs. These are indicated through sensor or signal receiver. Sensor measures the variables, compare the measurement to a standard value and finally recommend to run the corresponding device. Temperature control system consists of temperature sensor, heating, cooling mechanism and thermostat operated fan. Relative humidity is sensed through optical tagging devices. Boiler operation, irrigation and misting system are operated under pressure sensing system. This modern structure is highly expensive, requiring qualified operators, maintenance, care and precautions. These provide best conditions for export quality cut flowers and are presently used by large number of export units. Greenhouse or shade house for commercial cultivation. The height of the greenhouse or shade house should be minimum 5 to 6.5 meters, so there is proper air circulation. Sufficient ventilation space is required on top and sides. To protect the plants in the monsoon, provision for covering the top with polythene or plastic sheath is advised. To control light intensity and solar radiation, shade net is used. Approximately 400 watt per meter square light intensity is required on plant level. The optimum humidity inside the greenhouse or shade house should be 70 to 75%, which will maintain the health of the plants. Now, let us see the different types of greenhouses. There are different types of greenhouses available based on shape, construction, material and ventilation. Each greenhouse has its own advantage. Different types of greenhouses are designed to match specific needs. In India, sawtooth natural vent greenhouse is used for cut flower vegetable production purpose. Greenhouse type based on shape. The first is sawtooth type greenhouse, second ridge and furrow type greenhouse, third uneven span type greenhouse, fourth even span type greenhouse, fifth sawtooth type, sixth quonset greenhouse, 7 interlocking ridge greenhouse, 8 ground to ground greenhouse. Greenhouse type based on covering material. There are two types, glass greenhouse and plastic greenhouse. Greenhouse type based on ventilation, natural vent greenhouse. This type of greenhouse is based on natural ventilation and depending on the crops, the temperature, humidity and carbon dioxide gas can be maintained as per requirement. In this greenhouse, plastic nets are used to prevent insect and bacterial access. Climate control greenhouse. In this greenhouse, temperature and humidity are controlled by using micro irrigation techniques. This type of greenhouse has internal environment is fully managed, which is called as high-tech nursery. Next is polyhouse. Now, let us see the benefits of polyhouse farming. Polyhouse is very beneficial for the farmers, especially those who prefer organic farming. Plants are grown under controlled temperature, thus there is less chances of crop loss or damage. Can grow crops throughout the year and will not have to wait for a particular season. There are less pests and insects in a polyhouse. External climate will not have any impact on the growth of crops. Quality of produce is obviously higher in a polyhouse. Good drainage and aeration. Propagation of ornamental crops can also be done effortlessly in a polyhouse. Polyhouse gives the right environmental facilities to your plants in any season. It also increases yield for about 5 to 10 minutes. It also increases yield for about 5 to 10 times. Less cropping period. Fertilizer application is easier and is controlled automatically with the help of drip irrigation. These are the references. Thank you.